do it, just start pulling that stuff back that way. It's really by the time. Instead of digging it out, I'll take a shovel like a rake. Yeah, a rake. I'm just going to stop it here because there's perennials in here.
Front seat and grab one of them bags. Bone meal. Lifer.
Yeah.
This stuff's nasty, so you might want to. So what we're doing here, no, maybe down, I gotta do another area. So what we're doing here is we're gonna make a statement with some bulbs, some tulip bulbs. We got about 800 slated to go in some of these beds here along the parking lot. We gotta come in here and do this on a Saturday when there's nobody here. So welcome back to Serenity Gardens. We're here in town here doing a doctor's office, and we're getting ready to set some bulbs.
Okay. You got enough down there?
Yeah, I think so. There's 1,000 bulbs. I thought we were probably gonna have more extra, but we don't, which is great because this is our primary visual priority for this job. Got Wade helping us today, and Mary Banana, my gorgeous wife. Yeah, so now all I did is excavate down about 8 inches, 10 inches, and then I raked some subsoil back over it. I added 10 bags of black cow topsoil. I added about 3-4 pounds of bone meal. Now I'm going to put the rest of the black cow on, which is another 10 bags. Kind of hope that all the bulbs stay standing. Then I'm going to start digging in this original soil. This drip line here I'm going to leave elevated so I can fix it later. The irrigation's off here, so it's irrelevant right now. But yeah, it went a lot better than I thought. I really thought we were going to have way too many bulbs, and I'd have to put them in other areas. But I think this is going to look spectacular. These bulbs are mid-blooming. They should come up here around mid-April, maybe around the time the dogwoods pop. Anyway, we'll check back later. So I put about 10 bags of this black cow topsoil, which I think is the bomb. I got to do that area down there yet. And then a lot of bone meal. Now we're just filling it back up with dirt. Once we get it filled in a few inches, we'll walk on it and compact it. Well, we got it all wrapped up. I gotta fix this irrigation next week because I don't like it anyway. We gotta add some mulch here probably next week. Yeah, so it should look really good next spring. I was gonna put bulbs in some other places. I thought for sure I would have more extra. I didn't think they'd all fit, but they did. And I'm grateful because it just makes it easier. So we'll catch you on the next one.